Hi all, I'm Trenton Hoshiko, and welcome to today's cinematography video. Today we are talking about using the Aputure AL-M9 pocket-sized light in 2022. I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so stay until the end of this video. Now let's take a look at a few lighting examples. So let's talk about using this light in 2022, about 6 years after its initial release. Now there are a lot of competitive options out there, but I do still think that it's a good option based upon its portability and output for the price, combined with the brand reputation of Aputure, and I do like its build durability. This light even recently had a price drop in some online stores from around $50 to around $30. Now I bought mine at the former price, so I was happy to see that this tool is even cheaper now. One place I really like using this is as a hair or edge light, especially in tight spaces. I'm generally a fan of harder backlight rather than softer backlight most of the time, so with this size and just a little bit of distance, I can achieve that look in pretty much any space that I'm shooting in. Now, everyone and their brother has talked about this, so I'm going to keep it really brief, but this light is tiny. It is about the size of a credit card, it's very portable, and you can just put it in your pocket or in a camera bag, and it even comes with a nice magnetic diffuser. Now, it is its own battery, so you don't need to charge anything for it, but you do need to charge it, which is equally parts convenient and annoying to me. Now, to me, that's just then a feature. It's not really a bonus. Now, this light can get very, very hot, so always be careful to use gloves for protection if it's going to be on for a while. But that size and good output does exactly what I need from this light. It allows me to move it back from the subject just a little bit to help create a reasonably hard light. Now, I do suggest people use that magnetic filter to help reduce that multiple shadow effect that you can get from LED beads. Now, small modifications help this light and many other inexpensive small lights punch above their weight. And in my case, that is often just taking some black wrap and putting it around the edges to reduce spill. Now, in a big pinch, this light could be used as a key light, but it will definitely need some fill. If your options are no light or this is your key light, it will work wonders for you. But I certainly don't recommend planning on using it as your key light if you don't have to. It can be used as fill for a more powerful key light setup, and that's probably much more reasonable. If you're going to use it to kind of light video calls or live streams, I'd probably suggest something a little more softer for a more flattering presentation, although it does work really well for an edge light in those types of setups. If you're doing run and gun dock work and are going to keep it on top of your camera, it is a light and powerful option that can also be powered by USB. Compared to the newer Aputure MC RGB-WW that sells for around $100, I still think the AL-M9 is a reasonable purchase at almost 1/3 of that price when budget's your concern. You get less features like no RGB and no magnetic back, but retain strong enough output and lightweight portability, which is this light's key features anyways. If you have a little bit more of a budget, I would look into the MC to judge whether or not those added features would be worth it for your needs. Now, there are other sellers out there who have similar LED lights that do have the RGB for a similar cost to this light. Now, that's great if you need those functions, but they're all essentially the same light sold under different branding, so I do prefer that this is a well-made product from a reputable brand like Aputure, despite it not having the RGB functions. I'm doing my first giveaway for the YouTube channel, and it will be one of these Aputure AL-M9 lights. Participating is as simple as being subscribed to the channel and then commenting on the video down below something that's relevant, like what you would do with the light, why you would like it, a question you have about it, etc. Non-relevant, hateful, spam, single letter type comments are not eligible, and commenting multiple times will not increase your chances. This is a USA giveaway right now. I'm sorry to the international viewers, and there is no purchase required or anything like that. It is just simply a gift giveaway to a single commenter. You also do not have to share this video in any way unless you simply want to, which I would appreciate, but I don't feel like encouraging more spam in the world helps anybody. You can pause and look at the full giveaway details written out right here. If you like light overview videos like this one that show practical application setups, please give this video a like to help me with the algorithm and subscribe for more upcoming videos about tools for cinematography, lighting, and micro-budget filmmaking. If the AL-M9 or the MC RGBWW are interesting to you, I have affiliate links in the description. These really help me out in supporting the production of these videos. You can vote for upcoming topics of videos on my Patreon at patreon.com/TrentonHoshiko, or if you can contribute to my coffee fund at ko-fi.com/TrentonHoshiko. All these links and more are available in the video's description, and I really, really appreciate the time that you spend watching these videos. It means a lot to me. See you next time.